so I have another failure for the slide to lock. And let's see here. There's my group. It's about 17 yards, 50 feet. So you can see how far it is. Like I said, those are not full-size B-mod targets. Those are actually pretty small. Failure to feed. So that's 3 magazines, 14 rounds each. And you can see my group. So here's the target. You can see these are not full-size B-mod targets. They're a little bit smaller. Still shooting a little high. Better though. You can see my group. I can cover up my group most of it. A few fires, which is what you can expect. Let's see here. There we go. So, see, peppered with some brass, but not too bad considering. But I have to run. That was a very quick, short range trip. Just trying to have a little fun. So now we will do my cleanup and get out of here.